If you're still using this old RSI, stop it right now. It may be one of the most popular and oldest indicators in the trading world, but now its days are over. You see, the RSI is renowned for identifying overbought and oversold levels in the market. And when the RSI indicates an overbought market, we typically expect the price to drop, and vice versa for oversold markets. However, there's a common issue with the RSI. Often, the RSI signals an oversold market, but the price doesn't move as expected. This is a fundamental flaw of the RSI that can undermine its effectiveness in identifying overextended market. But the problem is solved now because we now have a new and upgraded version of RSI that eliminates the issues the previous one had. And I'm going to explain this indicator in detail, and then later in the video, we will also go through a trading strategy that uses this RSI and a new unique indicator. So without wasting any time, let's open our Tradingview chart. So this is what our chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our indicators for the trading strategy. This is the new RSI indicator I'm talking about. First of all, I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. By the way, I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart in a 15-minute time frame throughout this video. To add this indicator to your trading chart, click on the Indicators tab and type Trending RSI. After that, add this one created by Chart Prime. This is how it will look on your trading chart. This advanced version of the traditional RSI integrates trend information, addressing the shortcomings of the conventional RSI. The Trending RSI is an enhanced version of the traditional RSI. Unlike the traditional RSI, which ranges between 0 and 100 and often fails to explain why prices continue to rise or fall during overextended periods, this RSI integrates trend information. This transforms it from a normalized oscillator into a centered oscillator with bands. Now let's go over the components of this indicator. You'll see a line that changes color between green and red. This is called the center line. It's different from the zero line, which represents the central axis point for this indicator's analysis. When the center line is above the zero line, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, when the center line is below the zero line, it indicates a bearish trend. This indicator also includes a novel filtering technique to smooth out the bands, which can be applied to the RSI for clearer signals. It features a binomial moving average filter that helps identify market momentum by approximating a normal curve. Similar to the Gaussian filter, we can access the setting of this indicator from here. In the settings of this indicator, you can activate the MA length and change the filtering value. For the strategy I'm showcasing, we'll keep this option disabled, but there are some other changes we need to do. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. First of all, change the length to 20. Then reduce the top range value to 60. After that, increase the bottom range value to 40. These are going to be all the changes we will do. So click OK to apply these settings. If you have a look at this RSI indicator again, you will see this line traversing the indicator window. This is known as the RSI line. The purple line at the top is the 60 level. When the RSI line goes above the 60 level, it indicates strong bullish momentum, signaling us to take buy trades. The yellow line is the 40 level. If the RSI line crosses below the 40 level, it indicates strong bearish momentum, signaling us to take sell trades. Although this indicator is powerful on its own, we can't rely solely on it for our strategy. We need an additional indicator to add extra confluences for taking positions. So now, let's add the unique indicator I talked about in the beginning of this video to our trading chart. For that, we will open the Indicators tab again. Here, search Market Structure Algo. After that, add the one created by Omega Tools to your trading chart. We'll use this indicator to identify pullbacks in the market. We will not be changing any setting of this indicator, and we'll use it as it is in our trading strategy. So now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules and conditions for opening a buy and sell trade using these two indicators. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So to open a buy trade, first of all, we need to confirm if the trend is bullish using the Trending RSI indicator. For this, we want the center line, which is green in color, to be above the zero level. Then we will identify a market pullback within this bullish trend using the second indicator we add to our trading chart. Wait for the trend ribbon of the MS Algo indicator to turn from blue to red, just like it did here. This indicates a pullback. After that, we will confirm the end of the pullback. And for that, the EMS Algo indicator should print an upward arrow, indicating the pullback's end, and the price should close above the most recent swing high with the same candle that has the upward arrow. It should be just like it did here in this example. And finally, you will have to ensure that a strong bullish momentum is in the market currently. And to confirm that, make sure the RSI line is above the 60 level. Even this much would be enough. Once these conditions are met, we can open a buy trade here. Set your stop loss below the recent swing low, and beginners should look to target a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. But if you have some experience in trading, you can also hold on to the trade for longer. Let the trade run, and as seen in our example, it was profitable. A crucial point to remember is that during the pullback, the trend should remain bullish. If the green center line changes to red, it invalidates the pullback, indicating a potential trend reversal. Now let's go through the rule for entering a sell trade using this trading strategy. If you don't have time to watch indicators all day, just join our free Telegram group for daily trade signals. Link is in description. To open a sell trade, the rules are exactly opposite to the rules for a buy trade. First of all, we need to confirm if the trend is bearish using the trending RSI indicator. For this, we want the center line, which is red in color, to be below the 0 level. Then we will identify a market pullback within this bearish trend. Wait for the trend ribbon of the MS Algo indicator to turn from red to blue, just like it did here. This indicates a pullback. After that, we will confirm the end of the pullback, and for that, the EMS Algo indicator should print a downward arrow, indicating the pullback's end. It should be just like it did here in this example. And finally, you will have to ensure that strong bearish momentum is in the market currently. And to confirm that, make sure the RC line is below the 40 level. Once these conditions are met, we can open a sell trade here. Set your stop loss above the recent swing high. The trending RSI enhances the traditional RC by adding trend insights, addressing the gap left by the conventional RSI. This version breaks away from the 0-100 range, offering bands and a center line that better represents market conditions. If you have any questions about this indicator or strategy, let us know in the comments section below. That's it for this strategy. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like the video and consider subscribing to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.